The Apple HomePod is still in its infancy, and if you talk to most people, they would probably agree that it still has a long way to go before it's close to being perfect. The biggest thing about it is its isolated support to basically everything Apple. So if you're not subscribed to Apple Music, you really can't take full advantage of the HomePod. So if you're a Spotify user, you might think that you're out of luck, but not really. That's because in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Spotify with the Apple HomePod using an iPhone. And to tell you the truth, it's a really simple and straightforward process. So let's get started. Now, there are two methods to go about doing this, and they both have 4 simple steps. So the first thing you want to do is run the Spotify app. So from the iOS main screen, you want to navigate over to wherever Spotify is and run it. The next thing you want to do is play a song. So once the app is up and running, you'll want to select a song from your library and press play to begin playing it. Next up, you want to click on the devices available icon. Underneath the playback controls, you'll notice that there's a devices available icon. It's now situated there and leverages AirPlay to stream music from the Spotify app to the HomePod. And finally, you want to select the HomePod from the list. So after you click the devices available button within the Spotify app, there will be a new window that will reveal a list of supported devices. If you have other smart speakers connected on the same Wi-Fi network, you might see them included here. If you don't see the HomePod as an option, just click on the More Devices option to find it. Now onto the second method. The end result is the same, it's just the process a little bit different. So the first thing you want to do is play a song with whatever music app, whether it's the default Apple Music player or Pandora or something else. Just run that app and play a song. The second thing you want to do is access the control center. If you're using an iPhone 10, you'll want to swipe down from the top right corner to bring up the control center. For all other iPhones though, like an iPhone 8, you'll need to swipe up from the bottom of the phone to access it. Next up, you'll want to 3D touch the music widget. There's also this streaming icon there. You could press that as well. And what happens here is that you'll pop up the music widget. You could proceed to tap on the AirPlay icon that's there and then select the Apple HomePod on the list. Now this action will then shift the music from the iPhone to the HomePod. And the last step, you're just gonna simply open up the Spotify app and play a song. So it'll replace whatever music service you're using with Spotify at that point. And that's it. It's a simple and straightforward process. You can start listening to all your favorite songs on Spotify using the HomePod. But the best part is that this method also applies to other music services. So if you're using Pandora, Google Play Music, or Amazon Music, just follow the same exact steps to leverage AirPlay to play songs from those apps to your HomePod. So if you guys want to learn more about any of the stuff I talked about in this video, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.